Hello, friends. Can you believe that someone inventing something in the home kitchen, a product which will stay in the taste of the world for almost 70 80 years? Can you imagine that somebody having invented a food product in the home kitchen will make a shopkeeper family into a $1 billion multinational company? Can you believe that somebody without any education in a very small village in India, using a very simple innovation in the kitchen, can create a $1 billion multinational company having operations in more than 110 countries? Friends, I will today share with you a story, a real story of an Indian family which, on the strength of the homemade invention in the home kitchen, created a worldwide empire of a $1 billion multinational company from India. Friends, my name is Dr. Vijesh Jain. You are at my YouTube channel VJ Exports Mastery, and this video is part of the VJ Exports Mastery Stories series, where I will be sharing with you the success stories of very small middle class or lower middle class families who made it big in international business. So today is the first story which I am going to share. If you like this story, please subscribe to my channel. So friends, this is a story which starts in 1941 in Bikaner with a very small shop selling bhujiyas by Shri Ganga Bishanji Agarwal. His grandfather had invented this bhujia in the home kitchen, and he was very fond of this product. And his business was haldi in a small village near Bikaner, and he started distributing this bhujia, his own invention, free of cost to the villagers, to the children. And soon the taste of bhujia caught up like wildfire. People from neighboring villages started coming to the shop of the grandfather of Shri Ganga Bishanji Agarwal, and they started calling him as Haldiram, because in those days there was no name on the shop. It was a very discreet haldi selling shop, turmeric selling shop in the small village near Bikaner. And the grandson Shri Ganga Bishanji Agarwal caught the taste of the people and commercialized this bhujia by starting a small shop of bhujia in Bikaner. That time Bikaner was a very, very small place, and of course this was a very, very small shop, but he succeeded. The bhujia was selling like hotcakes. And then in late 50s, one of the member of the family, Shri Prabhuji Agarwal, started the Haldiram brand sweet shop in Calcutta in Chaurangi Lane, and he also sold the product on the strength of this bhujia only. That was the USP of this particular shop, and he became very popular. The growth of Haldiram thereafter was slow and steady, but in early 90s, a family conflict resulted into the splitting of business into three different branches: Calcutta, Nagpur and Delhi. In Delhi, the business was started by Shri Pankaj Agarwal from the family, who started Haldiram Products as a new company. This particular business in Delhi is credited with several new innovations, and the biggest innovation of Haldiram's in Delhi was the nitrogen filled flexi pouches, flexi packaging for the bhujia and namkeens, which increased the shelf life of the product manifold. Due to this increase of the shelf life of the product, it was easy to distribute products of Haldiram all over India and also overseas. So thereafter started the journey of Haldiram's in the international business, exporting. Initially, the major sale was the export of the products manufactured in India, and they expanded into markets like Canada to start with, where a lot of Indians were living. The major problem they faced in Canada at that time was how to distribute the Haldiram products in Canada, because the Indian communities were scattered sporadically in Canada and they were distributed all over Canada with lot of distances. So another innovation is credited to Haldiram's. They tied up with a petroleum company in Canada, which was having their petroleum outlets, 24-hour outlets all over Canada, and they had a convenience store. So the distribution of Haldiram products started in these convenience stores, and it became easy for the Indian diaspora in Canada to buy Haldiram products. So the innovation which started from India with swanky outlets, very clean sweet shops and restaurants, which was new to Indian customers, the different types of innovations started by Haldirams in different countries of the world. They innovated ideas, and the result is that today Haldirams are not only selling their products manufactured in India, but they are actually manufacturing their products overseas. So they sensed the opportunity when UK government invited investments from overseas companies under the Think London strategy, and London was the investment hub. So under this Think London strategy, Haldiram Products Delhi set up their first overseas manufacturing unit near Heathrow Airport in London to enter into the European market and to capture the Indian diaspora in UK as well as in European countries. And there from started the expansion of the Indian Haldiram's swanky restaurants in European countries, in different cities of Europe. And the target of the brand was not only Indians living in Europe, but also the foreign palates. So it was really very innovative, and the brand caught up with the taste of the Indians as well as the Europeans. And today the similar model is adopted by Haldirams in different countries. So they have manufacturing as well as the restaurant business, and the exports of the shipments from India, Indian manufactured products, packed in high shelf life packaging. And this is how this company converted into multi-billion-dollar multinational company. So friends, I really wanted to share this interesting story because even today the share of bhujia is still more than 50% of the total revenue. So it is still the USP of Haldiram brands. Bhujia is still the same bhujia which was invented by the grandfather of Shri Ganga Bishanji Agarwal from Bikaner. And it is said that the manufacturing unit which are manufacturing bhujia of Haldirams still uses the water coming from Bikaner. So it is really very interesting. It is the inspiration of the taste created by one family member way back in early 30s and 40s, and the brand which was created in spite of the acute and severe competition in the namkeens, sweets and savories in India. You can find in every nooks and corner, every gullies and bazaars, you can find so many sweet shops and the namkeen manufacturers. But in spite of that, this brand has prospered, flourished within India as well as internationally. So hats off to this brand Haldirams and the people behind this big brand.